Welcome back to Jim FX. If you are new to Forex trading and want to sharpen your skills without risking real money, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into how to use a demo account to practice Forex trading like a pro. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to get started, what to practice, and how to transition to real trading. So now, consider subscribing, give a like to this video, and comment the skill you are practicing so far. So let's jump in. What is a Forex demo account? This is just a risk-free trading account provided by brokers that lets you practice Forex trading with virtual money. So it mimics real market conditions. So you can test strategies, you learn the platform, and build confidence without losing a single cent. So we shall see a few steps that we can use when we are trading a demo account. So now step number one is to choose a reliable broker. So now here, you pick a reputable Forex broker that offers a demo account. Some popular options use Exness. We have also FBS, Forex Pro. They are different brokers. Now, for example, this is Exness. Okay, so now always check for their websites to check for a demo account. Make sure the broker is regulated and has a good reviews. Okay, signing up is very easy for a demo account. Okay, so now for example, this is Exness. Signing for a demo account after creating your account. I create your account with the link below in the description. Okay, so now after creating your account, this is how you open a demo account. Okay, so now you go to open account right here. We have very many accounts here you can choose on. So you can decide to choose a standard account or a zero, like a pro account or a raw spread account. Okay, so now let's select this and we continue. Then after that, here you can select whether you're creating a real or a demo account. Remember, we are creating a demo account. That's why we shall select demo. Here you can decide to put in any currency you want. Okay, you can put in the currency you want. For my case, let me put in UGX because I'm from Uganda. And here you can set your balance you want to start with. So now here, for the risk management, you can start with the low amount. Let me say 500 for the start. Then also the privilege, you can practice unlimited or 1 to 2,000 or 1 to 1,000. Okay, and also here you select the platform down here. You can either select MT4 or MT5. It will depend to the one you're using. So yeah, you select the password that you want to use. Okay, so now you can select the password you want to use, guys. Okay, selecting the password, you just tap on click creating account right here. Then your demo account has been created right here. Okay, you can see right here it has been created. It is right here with our 500. Okay, UGX. Okay, all these are the demo accounts have created for practice. Okay, so now step number 3 is to practice trading strategies. So now after creating your demo account, you can connect it to an Exness account and you practice it and you practice your strategy. Okay, so now let's go to this is our MT5. Okay, this is our MT5. Now you can connect your demo account easily to your MT5. So now this is the demo account. Yes, you have created, for example. So now it is time to test your strategy. Now for the fun part, practicing a demo account is your playground to test strategies. So you can start with the basics. Try placing buy and sell orders, setting stop losses, and take profit levels. Okay, so now for example here, when you have tested, when you have entered your market, okay, when you have maybe opened your charts, these are your candles. You will say that yes, may I trade supply and demand, or I trade support and resistance levels. Okay, so now here you will say that when the market takes out this liquidity, maybe when the market takes out this liquidity here, right here, I'll enter a buy position. So now, okay, so now here on MT5, you always tap here on trade. There is trade down here. You tap on trade, then you go here on this plus sign right here. Then after tapping there on that plus sign, you always set your lot size. I made a video about pips and lots, so you can go and watch it. to understand how to place how to set the lot size. So now here you can increase or decrease according to the lot size you want to use, guys. Okay, so now after that, remember I said I'm going to buy on the market, on the current market structure, because it is already on my zone. So here I just select buy right there. When you select buy, that means your trade will start running. Okay, you can see that is the buy position I've opened. So now after opening the buy position or a sell position, now you can set your stop loss and take profit. On MT5 things became easy, because now here you just tap on that order. You can see here SL and the TP. So now sell loss, you can decide to adjust. You can adjust accordingly. Okay, you can adjust accordingly. Then for the TP, you can also put where you want your market to go. Okay, after that you tap this arrow, then you modify, you set your TP and sell loss. Now they are all set. Okay, so now step number 4, after all has been done, you stimulate real trading conditions. Okay, so now to make your practice realistic, you have to treat your demo account like it's real money, because you have set, yes, you have set that I'm going to use $500. Okay, so now because it is virtual money, don't take it as virtual money, rather take it as if you're trading real money. That's when you will improve your psychology. Okay, don't take crazy risks just because it is virtual. Don't enter like big lots because it is virtual. So stick to a risk management plan. Risk not more than 1 to 2%. You say, okay, when when I'm using a 500, let me risk like, maybe let me risk $5. Okay, to earn like $10 to $15. You go like that until you manage or you understand risk management. So this builds discipline when you go on the live market. Okay, so now there are some of the common mistakes you can avoid. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the mistakes to avoid. So one, treating the demo account like a game. Okay, take it seriously, don't treat it like a game. And number 2 is keeping a trading plan. Always have a strategy. Say that I'm going to trade supply and demand. I'm going to trade support and resistance, structure shift, or any strategy you are using. Number 3 is not practicing long enough. There are some people who think trading is uh, a rich, like a quick rich scheme, which is not. So you have to practice for some months or even years. Some they even take years without being profitable. So that's it, traders. Using a demo account is a fast way to learn forex trading without the stress. So pick a broker, set up your account and start practicing today. So bye.